This video covers a quick rundown of adding external CSS to your custom gateway Smartlinks. So all of our layouts that you can see within our Smartlink builder have the capacity for you to upload a link to some external CSS, so you can completely change the colours, fonts, look and feel of an app. Anything that you can do within CSS, you can apply override CSS for. So as long as you have a developer or some CSS skills, as long as you're proficient in CSS, you can do this. So a CSS file looks similar to this. So these are just rules by visual rules that the app needs to follow instead of its default ones. So you can change things like the add to cart button color, the font color, things like that, and it gives you a bit more flexibility to allow you to make the app fit more on brand into your website, into your system a little bit easier. So how we do this is once you're in Smartlink Builder and you've picked an app and you're creating a config, let's create a new config in this example. You'll jump to the styling tab. It could be in a different place on some of the different apps, but the concept's always the same. It's always called external CSS. Now in there you can just put the URL of where your CSS is hosted. Now that URL would normally be on your website and you just give us a URL to it. We can also hold it as well. We have S3 storage, so if you would prefer that we host that CSS file, we're happy to do that for you. So the CSS file, however, it does have to be hosted with the same protocol that you're running the website on. So if your website runs on HTTPS, then the CSS needs to be in that as well. So that then gets saved, and that CSS will be available on your app within 4 hours once it's cached onto our distributed network. So that's it. It's literally that simple.